The human body is a miraculous machine designed with intricate systems that work tirelessly to maintain our health and vitality. Among these systems, the kidneys play a crucial role, acting as the body's natural filtration units. They diligently remove waste, balance fluids, and keep our internal environment stable. However, the relentless pace of modern life, combined with dietary and environmental challenges, can burden these vital organs. This is where the importance of detoxifying and cleansing our kidneys comes into play. Embarking on a journey to cleanse your kidneys naturally is not just about adopting a few health tips, it's about embracing a holistic lifestyle that supports and rejuvenates your entire being. Let's dive into this journey and explore 7 powerful, natural ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys. 1. Hydration, the lifeblood of kidney health. Imagine standing at the edge of a clear, flowing river. The water is pristine, continually moving, carrying away debris and nourishing everything in its path. This is how our kidneys function when we are properly hydrated. Water is essential for every cell in our body, but for our kidneys, it is the lifeblood that keeps them functioning optimally. To support your kidneys, aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. This can vary based on your activity level, climate, and overall health. Start your day with a glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon to kickstart your metabolism and flush out toxins accumulated overnight. Carry a reusable water bottle to remind yourself to stay hydrated throughout the day. Sarah, a busy mother of 2, rarely prioritized her hydration needs. She often found herself fatigued and prone to frequent urinary tract infections. After learning about the importance of hydration for kidney health, Sarah committed to drinking more water. Within weeks, she noticed a significant improvement in her energy levels and a decrease in infections, all thanks to this simple yet powerful habit. 2. Nourishing foods, the fuel for renal health. Just as a car needs the right fuel to run efficiently, our kidneys require the right nutrients to function at their best. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide the essential vitamins and minerals our kidneys need to detoxify and cleanse our bodies. Cranberries. Known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, cranberries help maintain the urinary tract's cleanliness. Blueberries. Packed with antioxidants, they help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens are rich in vitamins and minerals that support kidney function. Garlic. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce the risk of kidney infections. Apples. High in fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds, they are excellent for overall kidney health. David, a 45-year-old office worker, loved his meat-heavy, processed food diet. However, his lifestyle took a toll on his kidneys, leading to high blood pressure and chronic kidney stones. After a health scare, David switched to a plant-based diet rich in kidney-friendly foods. Over time, his kidney function improved, and he felt more energetic and healthier than ever before. 3. Herbal teas, nature's gentle cleansers. Herbal teas have been used for centuries as natural remedies to support various aspects of health, including kidney function. These teas can act as gentle diuretics, helping to flush out toxins and support the kidneys in their cleansing role. Dandelion tea acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production and helping to remove toxins. Nettle tea supports kidney function and helps reduce inflammation. Ginger tea, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, it helps soothe the digestive system and support detoxification. Parsley tea helps increase urine flow and supports the kidneys in filtering out waste. Emily, a yoga instructor, always believed in the power of natural remedies. After learning about the benefits of herbal teas for kidney health, she incorporated a daily ritual of drinking a cup of dandelion or nettle tea. This simple addition to her routine not only improved her kidney function, but also became a cherished moment of self-care in her busy day. 4. Exercise, the kidney-boosting activity. Physical activity is a cornerstone of overall health, including kidney health. Exercise helps improve blood flow, reduce blood pressure, and maintain a healthy weight, all of which are crucial for optimal kidney function. Walking, a low-impact exercise that improves circulation and helps maintain a healthy weight. Yoga combines physical movement with relaxation techniques, reducing stress and improving overall kidney function. Swimming, a full-body workout that is gentle on the joints and beneficial for cardiovascular health. Strength training helps build muscle and maintain a healthy metabolism, which supports kidney function. Michael, a software engineer, led a sedentary lifestyle that contributed to his poor kidney health. Encouraged by his doctor, he started incorporating regular walks and yoga sessions into his routine. The increased physical activity not only improved his kidney function, but also enhanced his mental well-being, making him feel more balanced and rejuvenated. 5. Stress management, the silent healer. Chronic stress can take a significant toll on our kidneys by increasing blood pressure and promoting inflammation. Managing stress effectively is essential for maintaining healthy kidney function. Meditation helps calm the mind and reduce stress-related hormones. Deep breathing. Simple breathing exercises can quickly lower stress levels. Mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness keeps you present and reduces anxiety. Adequate sleep. Ensuring quality sleep is crucial for stress management and overall health. Linda, a high-powered executive, often found herself overwhelmed with stress, which negatively impacted her health. She started practicing mindfulness meditation and deep breathing exercises daily. Over time, these practices not only reduced her stress levels, but also significantly improved her kidney function, proving that a peaceful mind contributes to a healthy body. 6. Avoiding toxins. Shielding your kidneys. Our environment is filled with toxins that can burden our kidneys. From processed foods and alcohol to certain medications and environmental pollutants, these toxins can accumulate and impair kidney function. Choose organic foods. Reduce pesticide exposure by opting for organic produce. Limit alcohol and caffeine. These substances can dehydrate the body and strain the kidneys. Avoid processed foods. Minimize intake of foods high in additives, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. Be cautious with medications. Use medications, especially over-the-counter painkillers, sparingly and under medical supervision. Karen, a health-conscious teacher, decided to overhaul her lifestyle after a kidney infection. She switched to organic foods, reduced her alcohol intake, and became more mindful of the medications she used. This detoxified approach not only protected her kidneys, but also enhanced her overall health and energy levels. 7. Supplements, boosting kidney function naturally. While a balanced diet is the foundation of kidney health, certain supplements can provide additional support. These natural supplements can enhance kidney function, reduce inflammation, and aid in detoxification. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. Vitamin D, essential for calcium balance and kidney function. Magnesium helps maintain healthy blood pressure and prevent kidney stones. Probiotics support a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn supports kidney health. Robert, an athlete, often experienced muscle cramps and fatigue. His nutritionist recommended incorporating magnesium and omega-3 supplements into his diet. These supplements not only alleviated his symptoms, but also supported his kidney function, proving the power of targeted nutritional support. The journey to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally is a holistic one, encompassing hydration, nutrition, herbal remedies, exercise, stress management, toxin avoidance, and targeted supplements. By integrating these practices into your daily life, you can support your kidneys and overall health, ensuring a vibrant and balanced life. Remember, each small step towards a kidney-healthy lifestyle can have a profound impact. Whether it's drinking an extra glass of water, enjoying a cup of herbal tea, or taking a mindful moment to breathe, every effort counts. Embrace this journey with an open heart and a commitment to your well-being, and your kidneys will thank you with years of optimal health.